Hi guys, this is Riel. Welcome back to my channel again. And today I am going to be reviewing some contacts just purely for fun. Okay, so on Peaky Paradise I found these Pokeball contact lenses. I'm going to try to put them on. This is going to be so weird because I've seen people put these contacts on and it just looks so weird, like Pokeball for eyes. These are on sale. These contact lenses are going to be out of stock soon, I think, though. I've been told that they might restock a little bit though, but I'm not sure. Anyways, I was very lucky enough to get a pair before my prescription ran out though. So anyways, we'll try them on and see how they actually look on me, just for the sake of being ridiculous. These lenses are literally like a Pokeball. Top half is like red and bottom is whitish. The details are actually pretty clean. It's not just like a circle and then red and white and stuff. You actually can see really fine designs into the Pokeball. And my pupil hole is going to be going through where the Pokeball button normally is though. This contact lens actually takes up the entire Pokeball though, like you can't see any lens rim around this thing though. Look, to me it looks like I am literally taking the Pokeball right out of the cartoon. Oh my gosh. I look so weird with these already. So these lenses are 14.5 millimeters in diameter, 8.6 base curve, and water content is 38%. Okay, now I'm gonna try putting it on the other side. Oh my gosh, they're so off-centered. It looks so weird. I'm trying to center it. For the name of Pokemon, Jesus Christ. Oh, these are seriously like the weirdest contact lenses I ever had. Okay, well, let's kind of move my eyes around and see how they sit. They're so sliding. Yeah, I can totally see my eyes as I move my eyes around. I think these are just gonna be for like one-day cosplay lenses though. Unless you really want to, you can wear these every day if you want. No one's gonna stop you. Yeah, you're gonna be seeing your contacts in your eyes though. It's inevitable. But I think it's also due to like the really small pupil hole that where the Pokeball buttons are, because if they made it any bigger, they're not going to look like Pokeballs anymore, I think. So that's the con to these lenses, I think, though. Okay, now I look like a real Pokemon master, don't I? Yes. And I feel like I'm going to be part of like the Pikachu fan club here. And these are the recent Pikachus that I've caught lately. Now that I have that white part of my contacts on the bottom, I kind of look like my eyes are a little bit, I look a little high. Oh my gosh. I feel like my eyes, it looks like just illusion my eyes keep looking upwards because of the white part that's covering the bottom. It's like I'm going like this. Yeah, but no, actually I'm looking straight. And I'm fine, okay? I promise I'm not high. These are fun. I just feel like it's a bit unfortunate they're actually getting rid of these contacts though. You could totally wear these for Comic-Con or just like some sort of a cosplay exposition because they're so fun and they're so slidey as well, I'm not gonna lie. Like, okay, now that I have these lenses on for like about 15 minutes now, I can feel like these eyes would be a little bit drying if you wore them for hours though. Not gonna lie, because I can kind of feel it already too. The lenses are just a teeny bit hard, but not exactly the most breathable lenses, I think. I think you guys would go figure right now that if you're gonna get cosplay lenses like these ones, they're not exactly gonna breathe super well and they are not sitting well, obviously. Oh my gosh. They're lopsided right now on the sides. It makes my eyes look like I have red pupils going like this. I look like a demon. Guys, demonic YouTuber alert. I think that's all I have to say about this though. If you're a fan of Pikachu like me as well, let me know. I have literally like a Pikachu everything, like Pikachu earrings, Pikachu hoodie, Pikachu hair tie thing. My friend gave it to me though. And got these from the Crane Machines. This is Pikachu 1 and that's Pikachu too. He's Gemini, by the way. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be keeping these too long though. They're starting to dry my eyes just a teeny bit though. Not sure if I would even want to keep these for a whole year. And I see red a lot. Whoa, I feel like I'm wearing glasses a little bit though, because I literally see red and white around my eyes. It's like the weirdest thing ever. You can totally see your contacts. Yeah, it does feel like you're wearing glasses. You can literally see the entire contact lenses on you. So anyways, if you just want to have fun with them or just dress up, I think you could use them though. Actually no, you could totally wear these for daily use at all. Go wear these to work by all means. So if you do want to check out these contact lenses, I do have the link below. But do keep in mind that these are probably going out of stock soon. I don't know if they're actually going to just really stock these back in or not though. But yeah, if you want to get anything else from Pinky Paradise, I have a coupon code, which is Real10. You can get a 10% discount and also a free mystery gift along with it though. I have never seen Pokeball contact lenses at all. I don't know where else you can find them though. So thanks for making contacts extra fun. And oh my gosh, I need to start taking my contacts off before I look even more nutty than I am. Okay, so anyways, see you guys. Bye.